Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers. I'm working on a really cute little journal. And a shout out to Laura Canadetta, I'm not sure how you say her name, and Kelly. I really appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, today we're going to make tags. Isn't this a beautiful piece of scrumptious coffee dyed paper? Oh my goodness, that's so scrumptious. That's going to be the back where we do the writing for the tags, because we're going to make tags. And I went ahead and cut a piece of cardstock, half the width of this, I'm hoping. If not, we're going to make it half the width of this so that it will be just a little firmer. I do need to take just a little bit off of there. Okay, that's going to make it much easier. I had to trim that off just a little bit. We're going to put some glue down on this cardstock, and we're going to make a sandwich with it and put the coffee dyed paper on either side and make this the inside of the sandwich. Whoopsie. So let's lay it down this way since it's wanting to curl, and we'll get it down as even as we can down here. Oh my, it's not really going as even as easily as I had hoped. Being curled isn't helping. Should put the ink on the part that wasn't curled. It was curled in instead of out. Alrighty. Now, let's put some more glue down so we can fold over the other side of the paper. There we go. And let's fold this over. There we go. And smooth it out. There we go. Alrighty, now we're going to cut it in half. I'm going to trim this part off. Okay. And we're going to cut it in half. We're going to make 2 tags today. So this is 11, so 5.5 approximately. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to eyeball it. There we are. That's going to be absolutely beautiful on the back of the journaling cards. Oh, we could have that on the back. Ooh, that's even prettier. I guess that's the front. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the corners. So which is the top and which is the bottom? I think I'd like it like this. We'll cut the corner off. We'll turn it over. We'll put the corner right over here. And we'll cut that. And there's our tag. That's beautiful. Now let's do the same thing over here. We have to decide. Okay. Here we go. Turn it over. Put it on the other corner. That way we can measure a little better. I don't know what those dogs are barking at, but they're bothering me. Alrighty, I'm going to stitch around the edge real quick and see if I can make them stop. Alright everyone, here's the way our tags look. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, so pretty. And these are the image we're going to choose from. This is from digitalcollage.com. Aren't they gorgeous? So I cut them out and I have them right here. There are two blue ones, two shades of blue, and there is a pink one and a white one. So I think what we shall do is this beautiful color of blue and maybe the white one. Do something a little different today. That will be so much fun. So let's see, which is the front? That's the back. This is the front. This is the front. This is the back. So I think we're going to put, doesn't matter. We're going to put, wait a second. We'll put the darker one on here. We'll put the white on like this is what I'm trying to say, because I think the contrast is really pretty. And I selected a few things. So let's see what I have selected. I've got some book pages here. And we lay some book page down. That might be really nice. Get our ink here. We can start inking. Get this going. I hope everyone's day is going wonderful, and if not, I hope it will get better very soon. And make sure there aren't any words on here we do not want. We don't really want that word. Okay, we're going to turn it over. There. I think that's better. How about maybe a little shorter right here? But if we put it right at the bottom there, I think that looks nice. And maybe we would like to put a little bit of this cheesecloth down. That would be nice for it to come across that white tag and leave some of it pure white and some of it covered with this. Oh, I think that looks very, very attractive. So let's go ahead and get some things going here. Let's see, we need to put this down first. So let's get our glue book and let's put our image down first. Whoop, don't throw the glue stick, Kathy. Let's get this down. Whoops. Oh, goodness gracious. There we are. And we will put it right here. I'm not going to put it on the stitching. Just close to it. Just like that. Oh, it's so yummy already. And then let's lay our book page down. We decided to go this way, yes. Well, there's another word that I don't really know. Okay, we'll do it this way. It'll be all right. They're not bad words. They're not bad words. Okay, here we are. That's lovely. And now I think we would like to lay a little bit of this, having it, part of it be on the hydrangea and part off. So I'm going to eyeball how that kind of was and get this going. All right. Let's see here. There. Oh my, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Now we're going to trim just a little bit. trim that off. There's a little strings here. Turn it on the back side. It's easier for me to see, to be able to trim like that. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Now we need some kind of pull, and so how about if we use some tea-dyed lace here, and we will fold it in two. See about putting it right there. Well, you can see it a little better if I move everything. Now you can see it much better. Okay, let's do that. Let's put a little glue up there, and put some glue on this. There we go. Just like that. That's lovely. All right, let's put some words on there, or word. Here's dreams. It's very dark, and I like that darkness of that word. There's some lighter words. See how the lighter words look? I don't think it pops it as much, although there's absolutely nothing wrong with the possibility word. But I kind of like the dreams. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Get this on just like that. Very nice. Now, you guys remember those adorable flowers we made in our video? How about if we attach the white one on there? Oh my gosh, I think that's so pretty. Okay, let's do that. I hope we can get this on here because we put the glue in. Maybe that's the best time to do it and glue itself in. Let's see here. Let me get it on here. And then I need to close it. See if I get it closed here. One more, Cathy. There. Hold it while I move this back down. There. Oh my gosh, you guys. Is that not adorable? All right, so we made some little tiny ones of those flowers. I think we might need a couple. Maybe one here and maybe one up here like that. Ooh, I think that's attractive. I do. I think that's very pretty. So let's put that one there. Let's put this one here. Oh goodness, you guys. I love it. Do you love it? I love it. Let's set it aside and let's do our blue one. So we have our base all ready. And we're going to put this pretty, I'm trying to get these strings cut here. Get these strings off. Some people like to leave the strings on. I'm not one of those people. I like to get them off. Let's go ahead and get our image down. All right, got that down. And let's put it in the corner like we did before. Oh my, we forgot to ink it. We're going to do it this way. There you go. Nobody will ever know. There we go. Beautiful. And a little bit of book page like we did before. How about on this side, because our beautiful butterfly is on the right side. Let's put this on the left side. We forgot to ink it. I tend to do that, guys. Really bad about that. But we can still do it. There we go. All done. And get this down here. A little closer to the leaf. Not covering up that stitching. Maybe like that. Oh yes, that's yummy, yummy. So, how about if we do black lace on this one? That'll be something different. We didn't put any of the net down. We could do a little bit of this net, even though it's got the black. That's kind of pretty, isn't it? All right, let's just cut us off a little bit of this. And go ahead and lay this down. I think that's really pretty, even though one's white and one's black. I think the contrast is very nice. Let's just put a little bit of the fabric fusion down, or whatever glue that you like to use with your fabrics. I need just a little bit more glue right here. Oh my goodness. There. Okay, now let's trim it. Let's turn it on the other side so I can see. Let's give it a little trim. That's looking lovely. Now let's put a little bit of our fabric fusion down and go ahead and put a little on the lace so we can fold it in half, and it will help keep everything in its place. Move it down just a little bit like that. Well, now my hands are really covered in ink, glue, I mean. So we're for words again. Here's one that says together. That's in the dark. That's very attractive. Let's put that right down there. Just like that. Whoops, not upside down. Let's leave it up a little higher. Since some of the book page comes out of the bottom. Then, you guys, we have one of these in the black. Let's go ahead and get this slipped on here. See how we like black with black. Do we like that? It's going to hang down a little bit. Let's try it. And we could always put the white on, the white one on. But I don't know. There's something about that that's really pretty. Now we have some white flowers, but the flower that is here is that cream color. So let's go ahead and add those as well. Don't you think that will add something? I think that would be lovely. Those put down. And you guys, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Here's this one. And then we have our white one. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so glad you guys joined me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.